Yo, it's YouTube, your boy Tyrone. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get a mortgage loan, whether it's under your SSN or CPN number. All right, so these are the easiest companies that will provide you with a mortgage loan. You can get one for, $500K mortgage up to $1 million. So make sure you guys get something to where you can afford it. You don't want to end up paying too much money per month. I know people who got, close to $1 million home and they can't pay off the mortgage, so they have to sell the home. And there are property taxes you have to consider. For $1 million home, you're gonna pay way over 10 grand every single year. So if you guys get a cheaper home like 300K or 500K, you're gonna pay way less property tax. So we have Rocket Mortgage. They pretty much give out mortgage loans to anybody, even CPN profiles. You have AmeriSave Mortgage, Quicken Loans. Next you got New American Funding. New American Funding is also another one that can give you a good mortgage loan. So what happens during the mortgage process? So you go through the loan processing, right, after you apply. Then you do the underwriting. Then you get the approval, clear to close, closing, and the loan is funded. So all of this could take, 24 to 72 hours. But most times it should be 24 hours, okay? And then of course, during the process, they will review your credit. All right. They can go based on income. So you will have to submit the bank statements and stuff. But make sure you guys do your research on the home. Okay. And you won't really need a realtor. You only need a realtor if you try to find a certain home based on your conditions. And then obviously, when you sign the contract, you get into the home. But of course, you can do a down payment on the home. Most of the time you will have to. But the minimum is 3%. Okay. So if you don't have the money to down pay, the best thing you could do is to get a loan, a quick loan, or get one of them Cash App accounts. So I'm gonna leave a screenshot. If you get a Cash App account, you can use it as a down payment, so you get the 15K, or buy as many as you want, or get a quick loan from the site's description. But I'm gonna leave some screenshots throughout the videos for you to check out. But then the loan application checklist, you need the driver's license, the ID card, preferably the driver's license, but the ID card is fine. They will ask for W-2s. So with W-2s, you can get, you can actually make fake ones or go through a company that provides the W-2. So I'm gonna leave ones in the description, but you can go through Nation Credit Lines. They do have documentations, so go through them. So I'm gonna leave a screenshot in the video. Your social cards. So Trailer Privacy actually does sell the social cards too and the W-2s. So yes, guys should go through them instead, but it doesn't really matter. Residential address for the past 2 years. They have it for 2 years. If self-employed, you need the tax return for 2 years. Income verification. Since you're doing self-employed, all you gotta do is submit your bank statements pretty much. Additional income, if you have any. If it's out of the CPN and you guys work at Amazon or some other place, then this should not be a problem, guys. Pay stubs, assets, So you guys can add this one to get approved for the mortgage loan. So having a pay up car is very good. So if you even add like a small all trade line, you could get approved for a small mortgage loan. But the higher the all trade line, like 100K, then it's guaranteed you get a high mortgage loan like 500K. But if you guys just add primary trade lines, so you want like a 500K mortgage loan, it's gonna cost about $1,300. So this proportion in 30 days. Okay. You want like $1 million home. This is going to cost about $2,000 to get approved for the $1 million loan. And this will report in 30 days and it is CPN friendly. So if you guys add these, you will get approved. All right. So I'll leave the websites in the description. But after these report, you can go onto the mortgage loan sites and apply. And you guys should get approved, but make sure you guys get those documents. You can get the documents from Channel Privacy. All right. So make sure you guys subscribe. If you found this helpful, that'll be great. So that'll be it, guys. See you in the next video.